Alright guys, we've got a minute left until Palace. I thought I'd do a drop because why not? Palace dropping these funnels, which are interesting. So yeah, if you do manual, it'll automatically refresh. So just wait on that. Fuck, I don't know what time it is. World clock. I could be fucked up this on. Alright, we've got 20 seconds left. Alright, cool. Now, I feel like I should probably start these before. I'm going to start these before. Mainly because if I'm using proxies, I did it a bit too, for yesterday's drop, I did it like way too late. Just because they were actually running. But yeah, let's check it out. Let's see if we actually get a hit. It's now 11. Oh, we're already in queue. We're generating checkouts. Oh shit. Fuck. I need to make sure that I'm actually gonna hit. Submit shipping. Traffic light. Okay, they're just doing that. Okay, they're doing their own thing. Buses, they're doing their own thing. Oh, we hit one. Yes, we got a checkout. Okay, we got 3 checkouts. Waiting for restock. Bro, they went out of stock. Then we hit another one on Palace. Alright. Yes! Fucking worked! Finally. We hit 3. I'll take 3. Holy shit, that was quick though. We got a large navy. We got an extra large navy. But we didn't get any of the white ones, which is really disappointing. I think the white ones might have been better. But I got a large, extra large, and another large. Are we still actually waiting for fucking motorcycles? Damn, that actually went instantly. Let's see what the group is saying. And let's check out Palace. Where's the new section? It's this one, right? I got this in the Navy. And I feel like this one was way better. I wish I got this one, but I got the Navy one, which I think is nice. Which is also sold out. Holy shit. And the black one also sold out instantly as well. So yeah, that was a pretty decent drop. But we're still going on captures and stuff. And we I like how it's actually working. That's a good thing. Captures working properly as it's intended. It wasn't like yesterday. I'm on the wrong thing. Holy shit. But yeah, that was pretty cool. I did do soft white into soft white. I don't know why it keeps trying to submit checkpoint. Am I just like doing something that's like stupid? I could be just wasting money at the moment. Unless it's actually dropping. I don't know. Is it dropping stuff? I got 3 navies. I'll take the navies. I think the navies are nice. Although I did like the soft white. Stay tuned because I'll be doing other stuff as well as Supreme Palace. I probably need to start doing more of the sneaker styles and stuff because we got some shoes coming up this month. Those Futuras are very close. And I have fingers crossed I need a Futura for the personal. So yeah. Have a nice day. Take care. And hope you got what you guys wanted from Palace. But yeah, see ya. Bye. Bye.